Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to create a blog on Wix. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Wix website. That's wix.com. And it's going to bring us to our dashboard. In the top right-hand corner, there's three dots. You click on that and scroll down to create a new site. We're going to click on that. And it's going to ask you if you want to use Chat AI to create it. We're going to set up without chat. And here it's already filled in that we want to make a blog, but you can choose from different options: coming soon, mindfulness, life, all those sorts of things. We're going to continue with just blog. And it'll bring you back to your dashboard, where now you can come up and give a name to your website. I'm click my blog. And you can choose some goals for your site. I'm going to choose build a community and to share my knowledge, and hit continue. And then you can choose to add apps to the site that have functions that you might want to use. I'm going to skip that for now and continue to our dashboard. And now in the top right hand corner, it's going to say design your new site. We're going to click on that. And it'll give us two options: to generate with AI or to customize a template. We're going to customize a template. And right here on the left side, it says personal blog. And we're going to look through the different templates. I like this one that says personal blog. So we're going to click edit. And here we are. It's going to give us an option to create content with AI. We're going to cancel out of that. And it's going to finish loading the screen. And first off, it's going to have the option to add elements, add sections, all these features on the left-hand side. Or you can just go ahead and click and start changing things on the screen as you want. And you can choose to, maybe make it bold and italic. It's really up to you what you want to do. There are lots of options. And it's going to, if we scroll down, we're going to have fresh articles that are pre-populated, and we're going to edit these and change them to be what we want them to be for our blog. All right, and now that we've created the blog and we have everything the way we want it, you would come up to either save in the top right or publish in the top right. So there we have it. We've created a blog on Wix. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching today.